Hey groomers, Tyler and Smokey here. We're out of Colorado. Wanted to show you something when you change your blade drive or take anything apart on your own clipper. Here we go. So this groomer said after she changed her blade drive, the clipper sounded really funny. I want to know if any of you can see what's wrong with it right now. Got a hint? See it? Well, I'll show you. Sorry, I'm gonna blow some air. The problem is when they reinstalled the hinge, they didn't put those springs through the lock. So we're gonna take out these hinge screws. Okay, so she's got the spacer. You definitely need this piece. It goes up against the clipper like that. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. And then a little more air. Two holes in here. Two springs. Put them on. And then put it all together. Bam. That's all it took. I'm gonna put a new blade drive in this because this one does look a little chewed up from hitting the lock or whatnot. But yeah, just these two screws, put a new blade drive in it. Thing should be good as new. Hope this helps somebody out. And Smokey wants to say bye. Have a good day.